We're ready to begin lesson 9. Have your pencils ready. Our first pair that we will do is A and W, and together they say all that we do use at the end of English words. So our A, we're going to upswing curve to 2, make the A. Then we're going to upswing to the W, and we'll make the curves, and then we end it with a dip, because the W connector will always stay high. So take your colored pencil that you're using, slide that up a little bit, and skip a line, and let's make some AWs. Let's make 4 of them. And this is all that we do use at the end of English words. Now, take your pencil, you will upswing curve to 2. Make the A, upswing, come down and make your 2 curves for the W and then dip. Upswing curve to 2, make an A. Upswing, make the W with the curves, dip. Upswing curve to 2, make your A. Upswing, make your W with the curves and dip. Upswing curve to 2, form that A. Upswing, make the W, end with the dip. Now let's make one without a backdrop. Make another one. Hopefully you're thinking your letters. This will become so automatic that you won't even have to think about the letters. You will be able to write them very fast as you're thinking about words in your writing. But it does take practice. Okay, look at them and circle your best one. Now we're going to look at OW. And when we go into, remember the O, the dip stays high, so we'll dip right into the starting point of the W. It'll be a high dip. OW says ow, oh. Pick up your colored pencil, skip 3 lines. Let's make 4 OWs. Pick up your pencil, and this is going to be upswing, curve to 2, make an O, dip to the W, make your W with the curves, and dip again. Okay? Upswing, go to the curve to the O, make an O. Curve to 2, make an O. Dip, make a W with the curves, dip. Upswing, curve to 2. That's the secret about it. Make your O, dip. Make your W, dip. My pencil point's breaking off here. Make your O, dip, W, dip. Make another one. And there. Okay, look at them, see which one you think is your best, which one did you stay on your baseline, you keep them the same size, and I like this one, but I really think this one is my best. Now we're going to make EW. So, and this is OU that we do use at the end of English words, OU. So upswing, make the E, upswing, make the W, that'll be the W, and dip. Make some EWs. 1, 2, 3. W. And if you make a curve W on the bottom when you print, that's fine. You can make it either way. Okay. Upswing to the 2, make an E, upswing, make my W, dip. Upswing E, upswing W, dip. Upswing, make an E, upswing, make a W, dip. Think there. Now make a couple without any backdrop. Pick up your colored pencil, look at them, decide which one you think is your best, and circle it. Now we're going to make a WR. Okay, this one's a little bit tricky sometimes, and sometimes people have trouble when they write this one, but you all are going to know how to do it just perfect, because I'm going to show you. You just have to think about your dips and your shortcuts. Okay, so we will and when you have a W and an R together, they have the same sound as an R does. So it's R, and this is 2-letter R. Sounds just like an R. R, 2-letter R. So we upswing, make the W, dip. Now when you make the dip, you come right into there, and then you immediately shortcut and then make your connector. Okay, so we're going to make some WRs. Skip 3 lines. Make WR. Give yourself just a little bit of room between those so you can work on your connector. Now I'm going to have you make 4 of them. Okay, upswing, W, dip, shortcut, connector. Upswing, W, dip. You have to get that dip and get back up to the midline, see, so that you're right on the same there. Then you make your connector, you make your shortcut, and then you make your connector. So upswing, make your W, dip, make sure you get to R's starting point, shortcut, connector. Upswing, dip, shortcut, connector. Upswing, W, dip, shortcut, connector. Let's do another one. Upswing, W, dip, shortcut, connector. And I'm going to make 1 more. Now that one you have to be really careful that you don't lose that dip and shortcut. You choose which one you think is your best and circle it. I think this one might be my best. Now we're going to make a 3-letter phonogram. We're going to make a W-O-R. And this is the of works. O-R may say when W comes before. And look, we have a W with a dip that will go right into our O, right like this. We'll make the O, then we'll dip and go into our R shortcut. Oh, that's going to be a fun one to make. Okay, skip 3 baselines. And let's print W, O, R. Print another one, W-O-R. We're going to print 4 of them. And this is the of works. Now, take your pencil. Make a little so you can see it. And we're going to do, let's just talk through it. We're going to do an upswing, make a W, dip, curve to 2, make the O, dip to the starting point of the R, shortcut, and put on a connector. Okay. Upswing, make a W, dip and curve to 2, make the O, dip, shortcut, make the connector. Upswing, make a W, dip and curve to O, or curve to 2, make an O, dip to the starting point of R, shortcut, connector. Now you make it and talk to yourself. I'm not going to talk. Okay, let's make one without a backdrop, and I will talk you through it. Upswing, make a W. Dip, curve to 2, make the O. Dip, shortcut R, make the connector. There you have it. Now practice that one a lot more so you get really good at it. Find your best one and circle it. And that completes our practice and introduction of connections for lesson 9.